Hello, welcome back to a new castle vlog. Today we will visit Valmer Castle and Deal Castle. And if you are new here and you like castles, consider to subscribe my channel. So if you're ready, let's go! Valmer Castle was built by Henry VIII as part of a chain of coastal defences to protect England's coast. The fences represented the most advanced military architecture of the time. This fort has a heavy protection for sure. It was built between 1539 and 1540. It was one of the three forts constructed to protect the Downs, an area of a safe anchorage of the Kent coast. The castle is basically the keep, the main tower, and there is four circular bastions. Each one has plenty of cannons on them. There is more cannons down there. The castle only taste of action was during the English Civil War in 1648, when the castle was occupied by royalists. Parliamentary forces besieged the castle for about 4 weeks before the garrison surrendered, probably because of lack of provisions. From 18th century, the castle was gradually modified from military fortification into a private residence and was occupied by many distinguished people, including the Duke of Wellington, Sir Winston Churchill, and late Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. So we are on the Deal Castle, and this castle is much bigger than Valmer Castle, as you see, because on the Valmer Castle is only 4 bastions, and here is the main key, so is the keep, the main tower, and then it's going like a 6 circular bastions. You can see all the way there, a little bit higher, and then more 6 bastions, these big ones, and also with a dry moat and a curtain wall around it. It's very beautiful. It's by the seaside, you can see. Whether by design or coincidence, the Tudor rose-shaped fortress was built between 1539 and 1540 by Henry VIII. Were using stone for nearby religious houses. This was the fort. And basically there is 3 forts. It's a Valmer Castle, Deal Castle where I'm right now, and there is a Sandown Castle. Those all 3, they are adjacent to one another along the coast, and it basically was connected by earthwork defenses to protect the invasion from France and the Holy Roman Empire. The Sandown Castle is completely in ruins. There is, I think, some walls left, and that's it. And the Deal Castle retains most of its 16th century structure with all these bastions and the keep. During the English Civil War, Deal Castle was seized by pro-royalist insurgents and was only retaken by parliamentary forces after several months fighting. You can see that's how they was firing the guns from here. In 1904, the castle no longer had any value, either as a defensive site or as a barracks, and it was opened to the public. So that was the Deal Castle, and I have something to celebrate. The Deal Castle was the 100 castles what I already visited. So imagine 100 castles. I remember when I had 20, I was so excited. Now 100 castles, and there is interesting facts about that. Basically, I visited 77 ruins, 14 well-preserved castles, 4 family castles when the family is living there, 3 museum castles, when basically in the castle there is a museum, 1 hotel castle when is the hotel, as walking hotel, 1 university castle, it was Durham Castle, and 4 Wells castles. If you are new here, you like castles, consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next video.